So every day somebody asks me, how do you make your salad dressing? So today I'm gonna make a quick video on how I make my salad dressing. I have listed the ingredients at the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna start with 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. I always use organic with the mother. I like to shake it up a little bit. Then I'm going to use 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. You can use your favorite vegetable oil. I mix half organic extra virgin olive oil and half avocado oil. Why do I not buy my own salad dressing? It has to do with the oil. I do not like canola oil. I do not like soybean oil. Mostly because they've been heavily sprayed with pesticides and herbicides, and I don't want those chemicals in my body. In addition to that, they can be kind of inflammatory oils. And also there are a lot of omega-6 oils in vegetable oil, and I don't want that either. I want a better ratio, okay? 2/3 of a cup of oil. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon, I'm using Hawaiian salt. I don't really measure to the T. This is the good stuff right here. Nutritional yeast, I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons. I don't even have a correctly measuring spoon. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of honey, if I can get it open. And finally, a huge bunch of cilantro, or any herb of your picking. Now, we're just going to blend it until smooth. If it's too thick for you, you can just add a little water to it.